crunches are an advanced exercise that helps focus on improving abdominal strength and firmness. This movement is performed by lying on your back on the floor, placing a weight on your chest or head, then curling your body up towards your knees by crunching your abdominal muscles. Some of the benefits of weighted crunches include increased abdominal muscle strength. Adding weight when performing the movement forces the abdominal muscles to work harder to lift the body. This helps improve the firmness of the abdominal muscles. Increased muscle flexibility. When facing greater resistance, the abdominal muscles will be stimulated more strongly and develop better. Burn more calories. Performing weighted crunches will increase the intensity of body effort and burn more energy compared to regular exercises. More defined six-pack. When the abdominal muscles are improved in strength, flexibility, and size, the six-pack shape will stand out more prominently. You can also perform weighted crunches in various ways, such as using dumbbells, resistance bands, or other heavy objects. Be sure to practice proper form, control the movement, and gradually increase the weight to achieve the best results. I hope this article provided you with some useful information about the weighted crunch movement. Let me know if you have any other questions.